What's up everybody, I hope you all are doing great, and the topic of today's video is how to use InVideo Text to video, complete InVideo tutorial. So here we are on InVideo.io. Today we are going to discover how can we use this powerful text to video generator. Basically, InVideo provides us the opportunity to create videos from articles we have. So let's click on sign up. It's free, so we can easily create an account, or we can sign up with Gmail or Facebook. In my case, I'm going to use a Gmail account, as for me this is the easiest variant. So in a few seconds we'll come to our dashboard. From this page here we can easily interact with different templates, find all the projects we have. So in the left side there is a quick menu. We can easily interact: dashboard, my project, trash, and team members. And in order to create something, we just simply need to click on create new in the right top corner, and here we can find like templates, AI text to video, stock media, and editor. Basically the same stuff is right up here on the dashboard. So in our case we need to click on AI text to video. So the next step we need to perform is just to find the necessary template we are going to work with. So basically there are a lot of different templates, tons and tons, and it depends on the video category you're going to create. So if you're going to create maybe videos about AI, maybe this one here will be more suitable as for you. About traveling, maybe here. So basically there are a lot of basically templates we can easily use. So in my case, I'm going to create a video about city. So I think I'm going to use this one here. So let's click. And from this page here, we can easily discover all these stands. How will they look like? So they look like this. And also we can change the format from horizontal to vertical through squared. So I'm going to create a landscape video, as for me this is the easiest variant, and also we can find some related templates. So let's click on use template, and we'll come to our editor. Basically from the next page we can start interacting with our script. So the first thing we need to do is just to add the script right up here. As you can see, there is like new feature. We can ask AI to write your script, so you can just simply describe the text you want to have, and the AI will create text with you. Maybe it's connected with ChatGPT or something like this, but in my case I'm going to use the ChatGPT generated article about London. So let's try to use this one here. It shouldn't be that big. I don't want to use like big articles, so I'm going just to paste it. And now as you can see, it was successfully like added here. So now we can just simply click on create sans, and we need to rearrange text. So they ask, do you want us to rearrange it for you? I'm going to click on yes. So it will be split it into like small sentences or small parts, so we can easily like interact with them. So let's click on create sans. Of course you can do it by yourself if it's necessary, but as for me it's easier to outsources as for the software. So now all we need to do is just to wait until all these hands will be created. It depends on the server's capacity, on the size of your article you're going to paste and you're going to create. So it may take maybe 1 minute up to maybe 3, 5. So it depends only on these parameters. So let's wait for a little. So it took about 4 minutes to create this sans, and as you can see now we have a ready video we can easily even now share. But let's try to find how can we maybe customize it for a little. So firstly, as you can see, the navigation has changed for a little. In the left side we now have a menu with a script. From this page here we can easily manage our sans. As you can see, there we have like 8 sans, so it's like about 8 slides for our video. On the uploads we can interact with our background videos. We can easily change, for example here it's automatically like places the videos about London, because this article is about London. So we have like some views from the London on something like this, but we can easily find something we want to replace or change, and we can easily place it right up here through upload area. On the videos, so we can also find a lot of stock footages we can easily use. Some of them are free and some of them are only for money. So it depends on you. We can still try to search something for the search bar. Let's try to find something related with London. So maybe we'll find some videos, so it may take a little time. And as you can see, yes, we can still replace. So if you'll just drag and drop it right up here, as you can see, it was like replaced as it's necessary, so it may take a little time. And now our video was successfully replaced. The same thing with images here, with music, where we can find some music for our background and so on. Text area, where we can interact with text, we can add different subtitles, we can add like different templates and so on. And the logo, where we can add the branding elements with different shapes, stickers, overlays, and so on. And also we have like more, where we can find some collages and some stuff here. On the main side here, we can find some features. Firstly, if you'll click on any object on our slide, in the top of the screen, we can find the properties. So we can click on edit to change the text. We can change the font, we can change the size, we can change the color. So for example, we can make it maybe, let's try to make it yellow. I think it will be better. So yeah, as you can see now, it looks much better as for me. The same thing, we can change the alignment, change the animation, and so on. So there are a lot of stuff. The same thing with this picture here. We can easily crop, we can easily fit it if it's necessary, so do it like this. We can adjust colors to make it more beautiful or more related to our presentation style, our video style. We can change the speed, trim, loop, and do some other stuff. So basically it's pretty easy to understand how does it work. And for this scene, we can easily edit this scene here. We can find all the elements, we can find the timeline for the whole thing. Moreover, we can add the voiceover if it's necessary. So we can click on voiceover and we can like use automated text to speech feature by InVideo. We can import from uploads or upload our voiceover file, or we can record our voice right up on the website. So I hope it will be pretty easy as for you to discover it by yourself. So basically this is the way. So if you're going back to storyboard, we'll find the stuff you can delete stands, duplicate, and do some other stuff. So basically, in order to export this video, we just simply need to click on share right up here. And as you can see now, we can share it to our team. And if we need to export, we need to upgrade. So the best quality, like 1080p, we need to click on upgrade to export. And as you can see, we have like two plans, two paid plans. Business like $30 per month and unlimited with $60 per month. But if you're going to pay early, the discount will be like 50%, which is pretty cool. So I don't think that it's good that we don't have the ability to export it, but the price is not that high, so you can discover it by your own for free, and then you can easily understand if it's necessary as for you to buy a paid plan. So this is a way of how can we use InVideo Text to video feature. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.